Morning. It's Monday the 6th, I think it's the 6th of March. It's 6:40 in the morning. I am up my hair. I am ready for the day. Obviously I'm wearing dungarees, black t-shirt, currently slippers, but will obviously be Vans. None of the kids are awake. Don't know what to do. So I open the door, the gate to go downstairs. They'll all wake up. But they obviously all need their sleep. They would not still be asleep. If everyone's okay when they wake up, I am going to have breakfast with my Clary today. I'm very excited. It's her and her little girl's birthday tomorrow. She's also upped the fluff with another one, and her husband has just had a birthday and they're having a party on Saturday, and I'm making the cake. I also made their wedding cake, so we're going to have a little brief about the cake and a catch up, and she's buying me breakfast. She's buying me a fry up. And then I need to rein it in for the week because I feel very bloated after all the beer and the pizza. Yeah, so I will take you along to Morrison's with me. This battery is about to die. I'm now charging my other two because I'm a crap YouTuber and never keep charged batteries anywhere. Yeah. I think Ari is awake. Or is that Ips? Oh, it's Ippa Bon Bipper. Okay, little bedhead. Look at your hair. Wow. Let me see how awake you are. Oh, she's sleepy shodge. Ari's awake as well. I can see her wiggling in her bed. It's just Sausage Boy that's not, so I might be able to sneak downstairs without him hearing me. It's you, isn't it? If I ever go downstairs and I open the gate, like, even if I wake up at like 5 in the morning, she's like, "Can I yap?" So I end up getting trapped upstairs until I can remove the baby gate, like, and make it safe for Sausage Boy. I'm just trapped upstairs. That's why I always have my makeup and stuff done at like 6 in the morning for anybody that asks. It's because I'm trapped. So I will talk to you at some point. Hi. It is 1:10. Couple of shame. I've sold some stuff on Vinted, which is somewhere in this. This was all stacked nicely, but the cats have gone in here and just fucking knocked everything over. So wish me luck.